Hey guys, what's up? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about borders and backgrounds using CSS. So, let's begin. So, this is my HTML file. I'm not going to use this one right now. I will directly move on to CSS. Okay, I have my H1 set up here. Okay, but I want to change this now. Okay, in H1, I will just type as background here, just a background, and I will type RGB. What is RGB? RGB stands for red, green, and blue. So for let me show you. So first I'm writing as 300 here. So it will set the color for H1. For the first would be red. I have given as 300. Now 200 it would be for green, slightly smaller than the red one, and I will give blue as 100 here. Right? Okay, and let me save this and let me show you. So you got a better idea. Just refresh it, and can you see the background changes? It's like the way you give it. Suppose if I change here as 250, and if I change here as 150, save it and just refresh here, and the color will change. So it's kind of different shades here, right? Okay, so now let's move on. Suppose if you want to give the background to the body, like the background, the whole background. So how would you do that? Okay, let me show you that. Just type a body here. Just type as body here. Open the brackets. Just type background, and I will give us a background as a blue. Just save that and refresh it here. And as you can see, I have changed the background as blue here, right? Now, suppose one more thing. Suppose if you want to give a you have an image which you like from the internet. Suppose I will just type this party here, just party, and I will go to the Google Images here, right? Mm, I like this one. This is good. Nice image. Let me just copy that image. And suppose if you want to give that image as your background image of your page, how would you do that? So again, just type as, or instead, I will just cancel this thing. Background, I will give as URL here, and inside just paste it. Paste that URL. Just save that and go to your page. This is not my page. Let me just close all this stuff from here. Just refresh that. And as you can see, I have a good image here. It's looking good, right? Yeah. So, so if you this is a larger image, so it's covering the whole page. For if you have a smaller image, okay, let me again just type party here. Just go to the images. Then let me take one smaller image so you get a better idea of what I'm talking about. I think this is a small shorter image. The resolution is small. Oh, just want to copy the URL. Let me just delete this URL. Just paste a new one. Save that. Okay, and so as you can see here, I have taken that image and it's again stretching, right? It's not, it's been tiled. So how do you just want the single image and not cover the, again, repeat the image? How would you do that? So I will write here as a background repeat. I will just type as no repeat. Save that. Go to your page and refresh the page. As you can see, when I have typed the no repeat, it's not just being tiled. It's not extending the image again. So yeah, that's how it works. Okay, and I don't want to do this right now. I just will go with my previous one. I will just give us the normal one, just blue. I also don't want background, no repeat. Save that image. I will just refresh that. Yeah, okay. Now suppose, okay, so suppose now you have a smaller image, but you want to cover, but anyways, you want to cover the whole page. How would you do that? So let me show you again how, instead of just typing this thing here, I'll give my URL again and we'll paste that image. And one more thing I have to do inside, I will give as a background size here. I will give background size here and it would be cover. When you type cover, it will cover the whole image. But one second. So as you can see, it's covering the whole page right now. It's going perfect. But the problem is with when you just type cover, sometimes the image gets blurred and it doesn't look good, right? Yes, it's just for showing you right now how to do that. Yeah. So now let's move ahead with just well, yeah. Now let's move ahead of doing with covering with border. How to use borders. So yeah, when you use borders, you need to keep in mind that it uses width, color, and style. If you don't give, if you suppose cover width and color, and if you don't give the style, the border will not come in your page. So yeah, let me show you how to do that. I will use H1 here for my borders. I will give us border width first. I will give us 5 pixels, or maybe 10 pixels. Right, I will give us border again, and this time it would be border style. I will give us solid because generally in any website it's solid, and I will also give us border color, and I will give us color as black here. Just save that and refresh it. As you can see, I got a pretty nice background here, the border here. Suppose you also want different kind of borders, like this is a solid one. I will show you the dashed one now. Dash, save that, and it will create a different type of a border. As you can see, yeah. But it generally people know do not use this. People generally use the solid one because I think it looks more professional. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Stay tuned for my other videos. If you like it, please subscribe, please share. Yeah, take care, guys. Have a great day.